Why micro-influencers and niche creators will outperform big influencers in 2026. In 2026, brands are shifting away from big influencers. Instead, they're investing in micro-influencers and niche creators, and the results are surprisingly stronger. Section 1. Why big influencers are losing impact. Large influencers attract broad audiences, but engagement continues to decline. Their followers are diverse, distracted, and less connected. Brands are realizing they don't get the same ROI as before. Section 2. Why micro-influencers perform better. Micro-influencers have smaller, more loyal audiences. People trust their recommendations because they feel closer and more relatable. A creator with 10,000 followers often outperforms one with 500,000, simply because the relationship is stronger. Section 3. How to position yourself as a niche creator. Focus on one specific topic. Create clear value for a small group of people. Collaborate with small brands. Use consistent visuals and messaging. You don't need a large following. You need relevance and trust. If you want to learn modern branding and marketing strategies for 2026, subscribe now. Let's grow your presence effectively, one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Bye.